let's add the details into the briefcase so that we can add a certain amount of presentations and files which can be sent. So I come back, this is our file, whereas in you can add up to 8 different types of files. Can you see that? Including audio as well, which is MP4, JPG, GIF, PDF, a PPT, document, an Excel sheet. So I'm going to say company presentation. Okay, I'm going to choose a file. It will only showcase the files which are accepted. Okay, so for example, I want to choose the same file again. Okay, I click on open, is added, I click on import, and now it is uploading the file. Once the file is uploaded, you can see it says file uploaded successfully. It will refresh the page, and here is your file. So I can simply go and copy this and paste it here in the new tab. Okay, and here is the file. So the beauty is that you can create multiple files and multiple elements that you want to showcase. Everything is available here. The other important beauty is sometimes it so happens that you are unable to send a certain amount of template or something. So if you want to add this file, this link into your communication, you can also do that. Like I want to, in our introduction to company, under say email, as your company profile is very big, more than more than 2 MBs, then instead of attaching a file, what you could also do is you could also mention following is the link for our company profile. Okay, and you can paste. So now this becomes your total file which can be added directly. Okay, as soon as the person clicks on it, it saves. I click on save, and the whole data is being saved with this new update of the file. In a similar fashion, you can simply go and upload multiple files as I shared. So if I want to add a video, say corporate film, for example. Okay, I'm going to choose file. Now let me find if there is a smaller version which is available. Okay, yeah, this is a smaller version, 391 KB. Okay, I'm going to choose this, choose on open, I choose on import. Now the file is being imported, the file is being stored, saved successfully. It will refresh the page, and now you also have this file. If you wish to delete the files, you can also go and delete it. So if I want to delete a file, I can simply go and delete the file. If you want to check it before that, I click on yes, the file has been deleted successfully, and now we are back on the page where we just have one company presentation. Okay, now so this is what you have, what happens with the briefcase option.